whitest white person. However you identify.
Here's an email from Urban. You guys aired a skit that had Ronald Mcdonald winning the Mega Millions a few weeks back. Can you please replay it? It was hilarious. Okay.
So, when did we get the millionaire?
He said he had to stop at the lottery office. He'd be coming right over by here.
What's up, ladies?
So, did we win or not?
Ron, give us the good news.
Well, the truth is, I won.
We won, right?
Well, here's the thing. All those tickets that we bought with our money, no dice. But when I buy with my own money, freaking bingo. So I'm walking out of the mini mart. All our money's gone, right? Reach into my jumper, and I'm like, hey, what's that? What's that? $1. I go in there, drop the buck down. Bingo. That's the one that wins. I mean, really? Really?
Give me a break. Hamburger's right. That money belongs to all of us.
This whole thing smells a little filet-o-fishy to me. I thought we were all friends, Ron.
Well, that hurts, Jimmy. Because I am your friend. All of you. Grimace, who was with you at the hospital when you had your bypass? Who drove you home? Hamburglar, who bailed you out of jail and got you your job back when you stole all those hamburgers from Mayor McCheese's retirement party? Jimmy, who taught you how to run the drive-thru? Who gave you the deal on Playland when it was Jeremy's birthday party? I'll tell you who. A friend did. That's who. I'm going to take the high road. I'm going to go back in my office, and when we all feel like we can talk like reasonable citizens of McDonald, you know where to find me.
I am so not loving this.
I'd like to kick him right in the McNuggets.